Today on Smash Thumbs, I'm going to be replacing my garage seals. I want to tell you how they work out. Yes, baby, thanks. Whoa. Got it. Two. Oh, finally done. After one boo-boo, I got it up, and I'll tell you, it's easy if you have the right tools, but I'm trying to do a little different, like I did with screws instead of nails. Might be a little difficult. Sorry, my video cut out. The product I used was Royal Mouldings. It's approximately 2 inches wide and 9 feet long. It was easy to use as an install, but in the videos I link to this, you'll see that the way they say install it, I follow the directions. I'm going to have to go back and adjust the weather stripping again so it's not so tight against my garage. I'm going to give it 6.5 stars. It does what it's supposed to do, but warning, it does tear very easy. The third day I had it installed, it got torn. So do be careful on that. If you do use screws, use the appropriate screws. Wood screws, masonry screws, whatever you're screwing into. Don't cheap out and get the $2 for 1,000 screws. You don't want that. You want to make sure you actually get good screws. Other than that, this ain't bad. The price of it is anywhere from $7 to $9 per per board, so it's not that bad. I did it because I wanted something to see my garage better and improve the aesthetics. It's a real simple, easy fix to do if your garage is looking kind of down and out. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, subscribe, and let me know what else I can do to help out. Like I said, I'm sorry my video didn't work, but I'm gonna remedy that here pretty soon. Other than that, hey, have a good day, y'all.